Hey guys, it's September. I can't believe we're already in September, but we have so much to talk about, so let's get straight into it. This month's craft is the Manta Dive Bomber. This is a bit cheeky and based on a very old design I would have called maybe the Boomerang back in the day, that John and I sort of perused some of my old sketches and thought, okay, which designs can we bring to life for you guys? So the Manta has been based on my design. John did a very rough skeleton, and then I took that until its final form. Check it out. So the Manta Dive Bomber is a trans-medium craft. It's a submarine that can fly. Designed to fly through the oceans and then launch into the air, it has a complement of internal torpedo bay tubes, and also it has external racks where you can attach additional torpedoes, which just so happen to be compatible with all of our Operation Maelstrom craft. In addition, it has several options for alternative engines. I know not everyone has the same sort of style and liking, so we have a number of different options. And if you want to make this more of like a jet, you can do that. If you want to give the focus more on the submarine side, you could put two of these awesome corkscrew models onto it. I hope you enjoy it. It's got two cockpits. I think it's a unique and interesting design, and I'd love to hear your feedback as well. This week's vote is for the Stalwart nacelle section, so be sure to get in and vote for which version you'd most like to see in the final product. Speaking of which, next month we are going to release the first part of the Stalwart. And I've had a little idea. Since there is no secret as to what kind of craft might be the inspiration for this particular multi-month design, I thought, hey, some ships have saucer sections which detach. So our saucer section will come out in October, and it will have a little bit of me, a little bit of John, and we'll see what the final result is. And of course, you guys as a community have put your thoughts into what we're designing here. So I am excited to see how this experiment is going to play out. Now, there is something else happening in October that is very huge. We are returning to the Traveler universe for what may be our last Traveler campaign ever. It's our last year with the license, and we'd like to go out with a bang. We've done some large ships, but the Traveler universe is completely full of smaller craft that are as ubiquitous as the trucks you would see on any highway. I'm talking about the small craft like the modular cutter, the launch, the ship's boat, and the pinnace, snicker. We are going to be visiting some of the smaller craft of the Traveler universe. These will be much quicker to print than the larger ships, much more practical for your tabletop, and we've built in a ton of functionality as well. This is our prototype launch. So this is our prototype launch. You can see we don't have any support rods in or anything like that. This is just the practical, how it looks on a tabletop. It's even better because it's designed to push together just with gravity. You can see the engine section, very simplistic. This is the kind of craft that you just use to get your crew from orbit to a planet and vice versa. This is the simple base version, which is mostly about cargo. So you've just got your cargo bay there. You have your sliding, oops, I should probably show you guys. You have your sliding door, right? You have your airlock door. The airlock also has an extendable ramp. And I even built in the option to add a coin cell battery for a lighted engine. So the launch has a bunch of different features. You can already today get onto our website and reserve the page so that you get notified when we launch on the 4th of October. Most importantly of all, perhaps for other Traveller fans, as you guys already are well into 3D printing, but of course we want to make this more available for people that don't have printers, so we're going to offer a limited run of finished printed versions of just the launch. Be sure to tell your Traveller friends. Help spread the word and we'll have an awesome launch and a great finish to our year. I just have to stop for a moment and say thank you so much for supporting us on Tribes. You really do help keep the lights on and we appreciate you guys so much. Thanks again for joining us for this month of September. Thank you for your continued support. Bye guys. Bye guys.